Welcome! If you want to disable quick launch into a Sony Xperia 10 3rd edition, first of all open your settings and then scroll down and find system option, so here. And here in system option we got gangsters option, so go into, and here will be jump to camera option. Click, and now we got to activate this option, so when we press the power button twice, camera is open, so turn off this option and let's try. Block, oh sorry, not this, block and double click. Okay, and camera now is not open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.